Alrighty, where are we right now? We are at Cars and Coffee. I'm actually gonna make a video here. It actually looks pretty good. If I already saw a wide body 350Z, that's good. I haven't seen one of those in a minute. Huh. S14, a bunch of these like little mini pickup trucks. Look at all this. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna probably, oh, is that a 720? Yeah, I have to go check that out later. Alright, I guess I'm gonna just show you these clips. Oh my god, look at the space in here. Yeah, what you got done to it?
It's lowered, has some wheels.
Wheels?
Tailors.
Very sexy.
60.
Oi, oi, oi. Can I sit in it?
Yeah.
Let's get it. Are you sit? Where do you sit so close?
You want to hear it?
Yeah, I want to hear it. Ooh.
It sounds kind of bad, so.
Not bad. Very cool. I like the shifter, dude.
Yeah.
What is this little iPad you got going on right here? Why was it? You put it in gear?
Yes.
Why?
Because the parking brake doesn't work.
But it was nothing.
Oh, bro. Okay, alrighty, we just finished up Cars and Coffee. It was good. I didn't get too many clips, but we kind of got here late. It was like around 9:20ish, so I didn't get as many clips, but I definitely got some good ones. And peace. Thank you guys for watching.